I am hoping to get the Parisian the most this season. It comes in 5 different colors and prints. This is the Python. I am obsessed with it because it gives you an extra little edge of animal print. It comes with a crossbody strap that obviously you can wear crossbody or you can wear it on your shoulder. It's also adjustable to any height. It also comes with this handle that you can wear it like this as a tote. It's perfect for when I go traveling. I use it as a diaper bag. I use it for work. It has a laptop sleeve. It has tons of pockets for organization. It's just seriously the perfect bag for any lifestyle. I would absolutely love to give every single one of my friends and family the bum bag. It's one of our classic designs. I am obsessed with the white patent. It's one of our best sellers, but we also have it in so many different colors, prints, and finishes. The best part about this bag is I literally wear it every day. I put my phone in here. It has an outside pocket that's accessible, a zipper, and then a back small pocket also with a zipper to keep things secured. You can wear it in so many different ways. I'm wearing it crossbody, and then you can also take this little strap off and wear it across your waist as a belt bag or even a fanny pack, which is very popular. It just gives you a different look every day, and it's really amazing. It's at a perfect price point at 78 bucks. Super affordable, and it makes you look chic all the time.